Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook tomato seafood soup in Heartopia. So in this new event, the Call of Wheels event in Heartopia, there are any new recipe that you can cook and here, and then one of them is this tomato seafood soup. And then to cook this soup is very easy. First, just go to your Tidal stove. You must use this Tidal stove, and if you don't know how to get this stove yet, you can just watch the tutorial in my Heartopia playlist to watch this how to get this stove. And then after that, just tap on it and then just use this recipe, tomato seafood soup recipe. You can just get this new recipe from Masimu after you talk to him for the first time at the event, at the Call of Wheels event. And then after that, in here, you need to complete all the ingredients. You need the common prawn, and then tomato, and then glasswort, and then wheat. And after you complete all the ingredients, just simply tap start cooking like this. Like this, and just like that you will successfully making the tomato seafood soup. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.